How's it going, y'all? I have a 2021 X5 i40 with the M package. Currently have a drivability concern. I was told that the vehicle kind of nudges to the left or to the right while driving. So I'm being told while they're driving, the car would nudge, as if like when the lane departure is engaged, and it would nudge you to stay within the lane. So I'm gonna take this vehicle on a test drive, see if I can duplicate the issue, and see if we can find a solution. I inspected this vehicle about, I'd say probably about a week ago. I wasn't aware of any of that, so I think it's more of a self issue than the vehicle actually malfunctioning. But I will drive it and see if I can duplicate the concern that's being said. Give y'all a look at the motor. Why not? It's a beautiful car. SUV. 3.0 turbo. Twin power. So yeah, it's not an M. It just has an M package. It's an i40. All-wheel drive. Let's take it on the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the road and see if we can duplicate this issue. '21 X5. Show you the dash. Ooh. Heard that? Saying nudges. While driving, it nudges. So I'm being told when driving straight, the steering wheel nudges like that. But that's normally what you get when you have lane departure. So I'm assuming. So I'm assuming, is it the lane departure malfunctioning, or is it a self issue? But that sounds like lane departure. When lane departure, it normally nudges the steering wheel, but it also vibrates. So we're gonna see. We say mostly highway. So it is lane departure. I didn't feel. unless, you know, the alignment threw off the lane departure, or it probably needs to be recalibrated. Everybody knows but her. I think it's something dealing with the lane departure calibration, because I'm realizing the lane departure is popping up while I'm driving, and I'm supposed to be driving straight, but I'm gonna double check this again. Could be my mind. Tell him to realign the vehicle. Probably doing an alignment. So I'm gonna redo the alignment on this. I'm kind of getting like a bearing noise from the front end, but maybe I'm tripping. As I get up to speed, he said it's highway. I should have went on the highway. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue this test drive, and I'll let y'all know what my solution or my conclusion to what's going on with this person's concern. So guys, after my test drive, I realized that, so there's a couple things that I was feeling. I was feeling the nudge he was talking about, but the only time you feel that nudge is when you actually like trying to switch lanes or if that's such. Also, there was like a weird feeling, like when I was driving it, I kept feeling this weird feeling in the steering wheel and just underneath my butt and my feet. So when I got out the vehicle, first I connected my scan tool. I should have made a video on that, but connected my scan tool to see if there's any way I can recalibrate the lane departure, because I was thinking of something dealing with that. But I came out the vehicle and I inspected these tires, and these tires are cupping. They're wearing uneven. If you rub your hand across it, you can also like feel the heavy spot or uneven wear. So these tires are starting to wear uneven, and that can cause, you know, obnoxious noises, you know, ride capabilities, uncomfortable ride. Definitely sometimes tires can give you sounds like a bearing. So like I said, went on a test drive, came back, did a little visual inspection after connecting my scan tool, and I realized that these front tires are a bit out of round, or you can say it's starting to separate or wear unevenly. So that's the reason for the pulling and the darting feeling that the person was concerned about. So we're gonna order 2 tires, put 2 tires on it, give it another alignment, and that should fix the problem. So I just wanted to give y'all guys an update. Have a good one, y'all.